Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and our given question is 2 is to power 2 is to power 2 is to power 2 is to power 2 equal to 2 is to power 2 is to power 2 is to power 2 is to power into x, and we will solve this equation for this x. In order to solve this question for this x, first in this step we should convert this value as 2 is to power 2 is to power 16. How? Simply, the square of 2 will be equal to 4, and the square of 2, this 2 is to power 4 will be equal to 16, and this 2 is to power 2 will remain same. And this expression, after converting these 3 power into 16 as 2 is to power 2 into 16. Now, on the other hand of the equation, or on the left side of the equation, this equation can be written as 2 is to power 2 is to power 4 equal overall power x. How? As we know that the square of 2 will be equal to 4, and this 2 square will remain same, and overall power x will remain same. First, notice this. These are powers. These two having power, this power having this two having power, this two, and this two having power, this two. But these are same as this one, but these x are multiplied with this value in power, not 2 is to power x. Now, this equation can be written as 2 is to power 2 is to power 16 will remain same, but this equation can be written as 2 is to power 2 is to power 4 into x, because these power are multiplying together, not this power. This value is the power of 4. Okay. Now, from the basic rule of algebra, if the bases are equal in magnitude, then their power are also equal. So here we should apply the same rule, and as a result we will get 2 is to power 16 equal to 2 is to power 4 into x. This x are multiplying with this 2, not in power. Now, as we know that this 2 is to power 4 are multiplying with this x, now this 2 is to power 4 will move to the other side of the equation and will divide to this value, which is 2 is to power 16, and as a result we will get x is equal to 2 is to power 16 over 2 is to power 4. And we can see that these two powers having a same base, so this expression can be written as x is equal to 2 is to power 16 minus 4, because this 2 is to power 4 will move from denominator to numerator, and it will convert into minus 4. 2 is to power minus 4, and both bases are equal, then their power add together. Here we apply the same rule. So this value can be written as now x is equal to 2 is to power 16 minus 4, and as we know that 16 minus 4 will be equal to 12. So here we get the value for x is equal to 2 is to power 12, and this is the answer for this expression. We can open this power, it's up to you, but here I am closing my answer. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.